Here are 9 signs that wealth is coming your way. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We're sharing with you 9 signs that wealth is coming your way. Sign number 1, you keep seeing the number 7 everywhere, either 7 or 777, or sometimes even 4 sevens in a row. But the number 7, the ancient mystics in the mystery schools revered the number 7. It's all through the ancient manuscripts. And the number 7 is a powerful number. The ancient mystics believed that there were 7 planets. And in fact, there are 7 inner ring planets. These are the planets that have the most effect on our lives. It's a powerful number, and it's a number that suggests that manifestation is coming your way. I know personally, high flyers, when I see the number 7, if I'm looking around, oh, there's the number 777, I pause for a moment. Oh yeah, I pause and I give thanks. I'm excited because I'm absolutely certain that the universe is speaking to me that additional money outside the box is coming my way. Expect an explosion of wealth. Sign number 2 is you dream about being pregnant, or if you're a male, you dream about a baby. Perhaps you dream about your wife being pregnant, or you dream about your girlfriend being pregnant, or you dream of being a new father. And if you're a woman, you dream of being pregnant or even giving birth. This is an incredible and powerful sign that abundance, general abundance, is coming your way. And it's not just going to affect you personally, it's going to affect your entire family. Abundance means more love, more happiness, better health, and greater wealth. Greater wealth is coming your way. And one other thing, high flyers, the ancient mystery schools, when they designed the ancient tarot, I'm not talking about these modern tarot cards today, but the ancient symbolism of the tarot, as it went back to ancient Egypt, always had the Empress card as pregnant. She was pregnant because that card represented not only spiritual wealth, but financial wealth. It represented abundance. High flyers, sign number 3 is finding money, and finding money everywhere. And oftentimes you will find money in the oddest places. Always, rule, listen to me, always pick up that penny. If you see a penny on the ground, I don't care if it's heads up or tails up, you pick up that penny. If you see a dime or a nickel, you pick it up as well and you put it in your pocket. Now, do not spend that money. Take that money home, put it in a special pouch or a special jar, and understand that as you accumulate found money, this is money that's literally floating down, so to speak, from the heavens into your reality. As you find this money, this is not the money that you're going to receive. This is not the wealth. This is the magnet to the wealth. This is, as the ancients called it, a talisman that will attract huge amounts of wealth into your life. So put it in a jar, don't spend it, and keep that money. As it grows, as you find more money, put it in the jar, guess what happens? Your wealth starts to grow. The more you find, the stronger the magnet for incredible wealth coming your way. Sign number 4 is that everything begins to flow. What happens is just everything begins to flow in your personal life, in your family life, in your physical life, in your spiritual life, and of course, in your financial life. When it is flowing, don't question it. Just get on the boat and go for the ride. Sign number 5, high flyers, is new opportunities. I get about 5 new opportunities a day. I read them, I examine them, I save them, and many times I act on them. Do not be afraid to act on new opportunities. Look at an opportunity may not lead you to wealth, but an opportunity may lead you to the next level, which will lead you to incredible wealth. So follow these paths, these opportunities. I mean, if they're good opportunities to begin with, okay? If it's a bad opportunity to begin with, I don't think I'd follow it. But if it's a good opportunity, take action on it, move on it, and listen, understand that it may take you to another opportunity. I'll give you an example. I had a gentleman many years ago who I did business with, and I think the total sum of our business was about $2,500. It was a very small amount, but he was an opportunity because he introduced me to someone else. And that person invested over $10,000 with me. And guess what? That person brought me to a private club, and I picked up over $120,000 inside of a year. Inside of 1 year, one opportunity for $2,000 coming into my life brought me several opportunities that totaled up to over $120,000. Oh yeah, opportunities. Follow them. Get excited about them. They're big, and they're a sign from the universe that wealth is coming your way. So one day you get out of bed and you put on your clothes, you take a shower, put on your clothes, and you think, what's different? What the hell is different with me right now? Oh, I'm not feeling any anxiety. I'm not worried about anything. I'm absolutely certain that good things are coming my way, that wealth is flowing into my life, and it's what the ancients called gnosis. You know that you know that you don't have to know how. You don't have to know when. But you know that you know that you know that good things are coming your way, that wealth is flowing into your life, that wealth is manifesting in your dream life and in your reality. And it's incredible. Everything comes together because you worry less and you begin to attract more. And oftentimes it happens like a light switch. All of a sudden, one day you just realize, nothing to worry about. Wealth is coming into my life. Well, high flyers, sign number 7 is really important. It says your beliefs about money have changed. You used to think that you had to work hard for money, that money was hard to come by, that you had to slave for your money, that people were out to steal your money. You had all these negative beliefs about money. Money is bad for you. Money will hurt you. Having money won't make you happy. Believe me, having money helps in the happiness game. So all of these things are beliefs. And when your beliefs change, and if you've been doing work, if you've been doing the inner mind work, the miracle hypnosis work, if you've been doing that, you are changing your beliefs about money. And that means that money is now flowing your way. You love the vibration of money. If you agree, write it down below here. Give me a thumbs up. Oh yeah, money. It's good. I love the vibration of money. So high flyers, when I was living in a hotel room about $50 away from being homeless, and it was very, very tough period of my life, every now and then I would save up a little bit and I'd go get a $2 scratcher. And I got a $2 scratcher one time. And I did it. And I won like $5. Okay, that's a big winning on a $2 scratcher. So I took the $5 and I bought a $5 scratcher. And I did it. And I don't gamble much. I mean, I don't play scratchers that often. And I did it. And I won like, I don't know, $12.50, $15. And I bought that. And I played those. And I won like $200. And the point I'm trying to make is winning leads to winning. Small winnings will eventually lead to big winnings. In a football game, you don't win the whole game. You win one play at a time, 1 inch at a time. Football is a game of inches. Life is a game of inches. And you win 1 inch at a time. Every time you win, it's a sign that more winning is coming your way. And hey, I'm not just talking about in gambling. I'm talking about in every area of your life, but in particular, your financial life. Wealth is coming into your life. Wealth is coming your way. Well, high flyers, number 9 is that you just come across bargains. I was talking about this not long ago, that I bought a Mercedes-Benz several years ago that was worth $80,000, maybe $70,000, depends who appraises it. I bought it for $4,000 cash, drove it off, my car. That's a bargain. Not long ago, I was looking in one of those online deals, and I saw an incredible bargain, a Mustang that was worth probably $15,000, $20,000, going for $4,000. When bargains start showing up, listen, when bargains start showing up in your life, take advantage of them. Every time you take advantage of a bargain, you bring more bargains, you bring more opportunity, and that just kicks open the doors to incredible wealth, incredible abundance, incredible money. Bargains, money, wealth coming your way. You have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.